Dear BOPians, as we embark on our journey towards a sustainable future, I want to emphasize the importance of integrating green banking practices into our organizational culture. Green banking involves adopting sustainable practices and fostering a culture of environmental consciousness and resilience. It is a collective effort that requires all of us to drive positive change and create a lasting impact. A study conducted by the Harvard Business Review found that companies with a strong sustainability culture outperform their peers in terms of financial performance and employee satisfaction. As an organization, BOP is taking every possible step in promoting sustainability and green banking. This includes prioritizing sustainable financing and investing in low carbon infrastructure. We have already implemented various initiatives to become a more sustainable and environmentally responsible financial institution. These steps include reducing paper usage, increasing energy efficiency, adopting green technologies such as renewable energy projects, and offering green loans to our customers. We have also been collaborating with various organizations and institutions to further our green banking initiatives, including the Green Climate Fund, international banks, development agencies, and real estate developers and operators. Some of our projects include installation of 4 solar energy efficient off-site ATMs with alternate energy channels to reduce our carbon footprint. We have also developed an in-house fixed asset requisition portal to minimize paper usage by enabling electronic routing of requests for repair, replacement, or even new acquisition of assets. Our efforts extend to transitioning several branches from conventional energy to solar energy. We are currently installing solar panels at 8 of our branches in Lahore to reduce our reliance on non-renewable energy sources. In addition to our current initiatives, we have plans to expand the number of sites utilizing solar energy to 57 by the end of 2024. This expansion demonstrates our commitment to scaling up efforts and making a sustainable impact on reducing carbon emissions. BOP has been a pioneer in promoting renewable energy and green banking in the sector. The Corporate and Investment Banking Group, more specifically, has made conscious efforts to include more green assets in the portfolio in the form of financing of renewable energy projects. The impact of these initiatives can be summarized as reduction in greenhouse gases and climate change, lower dependence on imported fuels, and self-reliance through indigenous and sustainable sources of energy, and economic growth besides job creation. BOP is in the process of being accredited by the Green Climate Fund, GCF. GCF, established by the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, is an initiative which supports developing countries in their efforts to mitigate the effects and adapt to climate change. BOP intends to utilize the funding received from GCF to finance a strong pipeline of green financing projects. BOP is also in the process of collaborating with a number of potential financiers, including multilaterals, international banks, DFIs, etc., for borrowing FCY foreign currency facilities for on-lending to qualified borrowers. In this regard, we are in advanced stages of discussion with the Foreign Development Agency. Additionally, with respect to international funding for such projects, FMO, which is a Dutch and entrepreneurial development bank, and Overseas Pakistan Investment Corporation, OPIC, USA, have provided FCY financing facility for renewable energy projects in collaboration with the Bank of Punjab. BOP has also collaborated with SCATEC, a Norwegian-based international renewable energy developer and operator, which is setting up a 3 by 50 megawatt solar power projects in Pakistan. Credit guarantee. BOP is working with Agri 3 Fund and Infrazaman for provision of credit guarantees to eligible green projects. R&E advisory. BOP is also actively on board for renewable energy advisory and planning with the Sustainable Development Policy Institute SDPI and Pakistan China Institute PCI. Integrating green banking into our organizational culture is a transformative journey that requires dedication, education, and collaboration. By aligning our values, policies, and behaviors above all, we can create an environment where sustainability thrives, drives positive change within our organization and beyond. Let us embrace the culture of green banking and work together towards building a more sustainable future for ourselves, our customers, and our communities. Thank you very much for your patience hearing and for your commitment and support.